Close your eyes and imagine a flight where the camera doesn't just look forward. Imagine diving off a skyscraper in Manhattan, but instead of seeing only the ground rushing toward you, your viewers can look up at the clouds, sideways at the glass windows, and behind at the receding roofline, all at the same time. This is not just FPV. This is the end of framing as we know it. This is the DJI Avata 360. For years, drone pilots have been trapped by the lens. We spend thousands of dollars on gimbals and ND filters just to get that perfect shot. But what if the perfect shot was in every direction, all at once? If you're watching this, you're likely a creator who is tired of the same old cinematographer footage. You've seen the Insta360 anti-gravity, A1 steal the spotlight at CES 2026, and you've been waiting for DJI to punch back. Well, the wait is over. According to leaked instructional videos hidden inside the DJI Goggles N3 beta firmware, the Avata 360 is real. It's coming in March, and it is about to reset the bar for immersive storytelling. Over the next 30 minutes, we are going to break down why this drone is the most controversial launch in DJI history. We'll look at the spherical guard design, the 8K per 60 frames per second HDR sensor that's terrifying the competition, and the O4 transmission system that makes 20 kilometers range feel like a walk in the park. But most importantly, we are going to talk about the price. Because DJI is about to do something they almost never do. They're going to start a price war. The design, the spherical revolution. Let's look at the leaked images. The Avata 2 was a masterpiece of sinew-hook design, sleek, protected, and agile. But the Avata 360 looks like something from a NASA lab. The traditional duck, or propeller guard design has been replaced by what leakers are calling the full sphere cage. Why? Because when you're filming in 360 degrees, you cannot have a propeller in the frame. The Avata 360 uses a dual-lens system, one on top and one on the bottom, and the drone's body is sandwiched between them. The propellers are positioned in a way that they are mathematically invisible to the stitching software. But there's a secret feature in the design that has the USA FPV community buzzing. The battery bay has been moved to the rear, acting as a counterweight. This allows the camera module to tilt 180 degrees vertically. You aren't just getting a 360-degree static image. You're getting a drone that can literally look through itself. The 8K sensor. Why megapixels finally matter. In traditional drones, 4K is plenty. But in 360 degrees, 4K is a disaster. When you stretch 4K across a full sphere, it looks like 720p. It's blurry, it's grainy, and it's unusable for professional work. The DJI Avata 360 is rumored to be the first consumer drone to feature 8K per 60 frames per second HDR 360-degree video. This is the magic number. At 8K, when you reframe your footage in post-production to a standard 1080p or 4K crop, the image stays razor-sharp. But the real killer feature is the 1-inch CMOS sensor. For those who fly in low light, sunset beach runs or indoor warehouse tours, this sensor is the difference between a grainy mess and a cinematic masterpiece. The anti-gravity A1 uses smaller sensors to stay light. DJI is betting that you want the image quality, even if it adds a few grams to the weight. The USA dilemma, the ban and the gray market. We have to address the elephant